If you're tired of the hassle that comes with soldering coaxial cables, the PL-259-CP-G connector offers a straightforward alternative. Designed specifically for RG58A, U, RG8, X, and low-max coax cables, it eliminates the need to mess with the coax braid or tinning, saving you time and frustration. This connector features a gold-plated brass build, which not only resists corrosion but also reduces signal loss typically caused by traditional connectors. That means you get a more reliable connection that stands up to the elements, important whether you're on land or at sea. One standout feature is the center pin PL connector, engineered for easy and secure cable penetration. The assembly process is surprisingly simple if you take your time. A small, clear sleeve fits over the cable end before pushing it fully in, ensuring the pin makes a solid connection with the inner core. Once the cable is seated, gently squeezing the connector's fingers evenly penetrates the outer sheathing. This gradual approach guarantees a tight, consistent grip without damaging the cable. After that, threading the parts together locks everything in place, usually in under 10 minutes. Users, including amateur radio operators, praise this connector for its solderless convenience. One operator with a tremor found this product invaluable since soldering was no longer an option. While it's priced a bit higher, the ease of use and solid performance make it worth considering. Another user replaced a 25-year-old soldered marine radio connector with this model and appreciated how quickly they were back on the air. The key, they say, is patience and understanding the assembly steps to ensure a flawless connection every time. If you need a reliable, solder-free solution for RG58A, U, RG8, X, or low-max coaxial cables, the PL-259-CP-G connector delivers. It's built tough, easy to install, and designed to minimize signal loss, making your next splice a hassle-free experience. Worth a look if you want to simplify your coax connections without compromising durability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a connector that works as hard as you do.